Hi there, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making a coffee cream pumpkin pie. Let's get started. First, let me say I was going to make a graham cracker crust, but I wanted to shorten my time in the kitchen, so I bought one. I have, this is 2 cups of coffee cream. Okay. I have a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. I need all of this. Okay. Stir and stir. Looks kind of dry, but it'll happen. I have some Eagle brand condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, I'm sorry. This is the best tasting stuff ever to me. Yes, and this is a sweet pie, but delicious. And delicious, shall I say. And delicious. That it is. Let's see. Okay, we're going to stir. And stir. I have, let me get this out here. Wait a minute. Okay, got that out of there. Mix it a little more again. Like I was saying, I have a half a cup of lemon juice. I squeezed this from a lemon. Add some and stir slowly at first. You don't want to splatter. If you want to use your mixer, you can. Make it a little bit easier. Pour some more. And I do have my old-fashioned hand mixer. I think I'm going to get. So I'll stick with my whisk. Gonna add some more lemon juice. You might want to make this for the holidays. Easy and inexpensive. off of that. Last little bit of the lemon juice. Last but not least, I have some vanilla extract. And this is a half a teaspoon. How delicious that is. How it looks. And trust me, it tastes just as good as it looks. Let's taste this. It's good. Okay. Okay. This is going to be enough for 2 pies. Just going to put together one right now. A little more. A little bit more. Now, we're going to set this in the fridge to chill while we're making the pumpkin filling. The pumpkin pie filling. Just going to set this in the fridge. I'm sorry, I forgot my ginger snaps that I had ground, processed anyway. You know, you can just put them in a freezer bag. I think I told you that before, and crush them up. And I'll do just as well. But I'm going to put these. And it's up to you how much you want to have there in the middle. Let's get a little more around these sides here. And this was just 6 cookies. I probably could have gotten away with 3. Okay. Now we're going to put it in the fridge. Okay, we're going to do our pumpkin filling. And I have a package of unflavored jelly. And just put all this stuff in the pan. In the saucepan, I have a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to do a pinch of salt. I have sweetened condensed milk. Hold on. Mix that up a little bit. I have 2 eggs. I'm going to beat them up really good. Meanwhile, I'm going to turn my oven on to about a 3 because we're going to heat this up on low. In you go. I'm going to just do a cap full of this vanilla. We're just tempering these eggs. That's what we're doing. This is heating up, like I said, on 3, and we're going to do this for about 10 minutes. Set your timer for 10 minutes. Okay, I've turned my eye off. That's been 10 minutes. Now we have cooked the danger out of the eggs, and it's nice and thick. Let me show you how thick. That's hot. Show you again. It's nice and thick. And I have some pumpkin puree, and this is a 15-ounce can. Just set this aside for a moment. I'm going to add this in. Okay, and now I can taste it now. Doesn't need a thing. Let me try that again. No, that's good just the way it is. I'm going to set this aside for about another 10 or 12 minutes and let it cool off. And then we'll finish up. That's been about 15 minutes. I let it cool. Get it in there nice and neat as you can. You want it to be a pretty piece of pie when you cut it. That should do it. Let me see. Yeah, that's about perfect. And like I said, you'll have enough for 2 pies. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to cover this and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. But like I always say, overnight is best. It'll be to perfection then. But I'll be back in a couple of hours to show you what it looks like. It's been 2 hours. Let's give it a slice. say it though. Overnight is best. Gives it plenty time to set. Mm-hmm. Gonna give it a taste. Mm-hmm. One more taste. Mm-hmm. Good. Good, good, good. Mm. See up close what it looks like. And if you like pumpkin, even if you don't, you'll probably like this. I think you should give it a try. Well, thank you so much for watching. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family. And comment. I would love to hear from you. So, until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. I love you. I really do. Let's try this pie cake. Cake pie. You can call it whatever you choose to call it, but I call it good. Give it a try. Later. Excuse me, my mouth is full. Later.